In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a cell or a cell range. Maybe you have a formula and you don't want someone else to change your formula. You might want to lock that cell. This can also be as a result of you have several people working within the same worksheet. This video, I'm going to show you how to lock a cell, and then we're going to lock an entire cell range. And I'll also show you how to unlock the cell or the cell range as well. So let's say I want to lock this cell here. All I have to do is go to data, then go to protect sheets and ranges. This little menu bar pops up, and what I'm going to do is go to set permissions. And when I do that, I'm restricting who can edit that particular cell. By choosing this editing permission, only you, or in my case, only I can edit that cell. Hit done and it saves. We can lock an entire cell range. And to do that, all we have to do is I'm going to select the range that I want to lock. In this case, it's going to be these cells here. Same thing. Data. I'm going to select protect sheets and ranges. I can name this if I want. Matter of fact, I'm going to call this salary bonus lock. The range I want is correct. This is correct. J5 through K9. Hit permissions, and this looks good. I only want to be the person to edit that range of data, and it's saved. Now, what if we want to unlock those cells? How do we do that? So I'm gonna go to the cell here that I locked previously, and I'm going to go to data, protect sheets and ranges, and the cell that I locked initially was E5. So I'm gonna come here, select that, and where you have this trash can icon, just click on that, and it's gonna ask you if you sure you want to remove that protected range. We're gonna hit remove, and that's unlocked. I can do the same thing for the range. Go back to that range, go to the trash can icon and hit remove. And that range of cells are now unlocked, and anyone can edit those cells. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.